If you're between the ages of 16 and 24 and wondering how to land a job without experience, then stick around today as we're going to be talking about bridging the gap between education and apprenticeships. Leaving school, college or university is a huge milestone, but that comes with a big question. How do I get a job without any experience? I get it, it feels like you need experience to get a job, and it also feels like you need a job to gain experience. It's frustrating, right? But this is where apprenticeships come into play. So what are apprenticeships? Well, it's a combination between hands-on experience and academic learning. You earn while you learn, and you also learn valuable skills within your chosen field. So why would you choose an apprenticeship then? I mean, what's going to be the benefits to it? Well, let's break it down. 1. Practical experience. You're getting that real-world and hands-on experience that will make your resume stand out. 2. You earn while you learn, you get paid while you're training, and there's no student loans at the end or any big debts to pay off. 3. A qualification. You're going to have a qualification that's going to be recognised within the industry, and businesses and employers are going to find you more employable because of the experience you've had. 4. Network building. You're going to be meeting so many more people around that industry. That's going to open up connections and doors and start new pathways for you. With apprenticeships, there are so many options and routes that you can go down. You can go through multi-channel marketing media, which is the new digital marketing. IT you could be doing, business administration, accounting, customer service, childcare and more. There's always something for everyone. Okay, so now we've got a better understanding of apprenticeships. So how do you go about finding the right apprenticeship? Well, here's some steps. 1. Research your options. Figure out what sectors are best for you, or if it's because you've gone down the uni route or college route and you're interested in the subjects that you've done, find out if they do it in apprenticeships. 2. Prepare your CV. Highlight your skills and relevant experience. Even if it's from school, projects or volunteering, it all counts. 3. Applying to these positions early. It can be competitive and employers are far more likely to look at your CV first if you get it in there quicker. 4. Making sure you're prepared for interviews, being ready to explain why you want to go down the apprenticeship route and why you want to go for this job role. There's nothing worse than when an employer rings you and you've got nothing to say. 5. Leverage resourcing. Using websites like us, 360 Apprenticeships, the Gov website, or even like Indeed or LinkedIn to find more opportunities and be the first to apply. So now we know apprenticeships are a fantastic way to gain experience, earn where you learn, build a network within your chosen field. They can also set you up for future success. So are you ready to kickstart your career? Then why not check us out, 360 Apprenticeships. We specialise in helping out young people finding apprenticeships within the sectors above and more. How do you apply? Visit our website, give us a call, or even shoot us an email. We'll leave all the links and information within the bio. And remember, your future career starts here. Thanks for watching.